What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Let's look at how to install latest Oxygen OS 11 port on Xiaomi Poco F1. The ROM is based upon OnePlus 7 Oxygen OS. This is the latest build from OOF gang. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, you need to have your current ROM to be decrypted. It is mandatory to install this ROM. If you don't know how to do that, video is there in the description. Once your phone is decrypted, download preferred recovery, firmware and ROM file from the description. There are few points you should be careful about this installation. First is, while downloading, make sure that you downloaded recovery and ROM file at a time. Second, the downloaded file should not be touched, especially the recovery and ROM file. If you want your recovery and ROM file in micro SD card, either you can download it directly in micro SD card, or if you are move both at the same time. I prefer the first option. Third is, it is mandatory to flash OOF gang TWRP version 8. Without that recovery, installation is impossible. Fourth, you need to flash the ROM within 24 hours. If you exceed that, your download files won't work. You need to download both recovery and ROM file again. Fifth one, don't try to download files from your computer and move to your phone. In this case, it is not gonna work. If you want to move files from your laptop or computer, it is mandatory to move with ADB. Sixth is, who uses OrangeFox need to flash a TWRP. Once these points are cleared and download finishes, let's quickly remove all the security measures and Google account or MIUI account linked with your current ROM. Once that is done, once again make sure that your phone is not encrypted. Once that is done, reboot your phone into recovery. Since I use OrangeFox recovery, I need to flash any TWRP first. I kept latest TWRP files under my microSD card downloads folder. So let's navigate into that folder and select TWRP recovery. Select recovery again from the pop-up and swipe to flash. Once flashing finishes, reboot your recovery once. Once you are in TWRP recovery, next step is to flash the OOF gang version 8 recovery. Browse to downloaded files and select recovery file and swipe to flash. Your phone will automatically reboot into the latest recovery what you have flashed now. So be patient, do not touch anything. Once you are in OOF gang recovery, go to wipe, advanced wipe, select cache Dalvik system vendor data and swipe to wipe. Do not select internal storage because you are already using a decrypted ROM. Hence your phone is decrypted. Once wipe done, select home. Navigate into ROM file downloaded location. From here, select firmware first and add more zip. Select the ROM file, name it as never gonna give you up and swipe to flash. Let the flashing finish. Once it is done, make sure that there is no errors noticed. Now let's reboot your phone into system. As usual, it may take some time since it is first boot. So be patient. You can see the boot logo now. Let me quickly finish the boot process and first boot steps and come back. Now let's quickly go to about phone session. Here it is, the latest Oxygen OS 11 based upon OnePlus 7 running on Xiaomi Poco F1. I'll be doing a gaming review of this ROM. So that's it guys. If you like my work, leave a like and subscribe. Till next time, be safe and take care.